Council Negeri Memorial in Bintulu commemorates the site where Sarawak's first Legislative Assembly meeting was held in 1867. It stands as a significant historical landmark symbolizing the beginning of representative government in Sarawak. The site remains an important reminder of Bintulu's role in shaping Sarawak's political legacy. Masjid Assyakirin is one of the largest and most prominent mosques in Bintulu, known for its impressive architecture and spiritual ambience. Its grand dome and minarets stand out as a symbol of Islamic faith and unity in the community. The mosque accommodates a large number of worshippers and serves as a center for religious activities, education, and community gatherings. Its serene surroundings and beautifully landscaped compound make it a peaceful place for reflection and prayer. Masjid Assyakirin continues to be a cornerstone of religious and cultural life in Bintulu.